Hi, my name is Miss Shawnee, and I'm here to help your teacher by reading the story. This book is about a family that is getting ready for a big meal, a feast. But this book also has rhyming words in it. Those are words that sound the same at the end. We're going to practice rhyming in this story. Feast for 10. One cart into the grocery store. 2 pumpkins for pie. 3 chickens to fry. Those were rhyming words. I heard them. Pie, fry. They sound the same at the end. Your turn. Say pie, fry. Yep, yep, you did it. 4 children off to look for more. 5 kinds of beans, 6 bunches of greens. Beans, greens. They sound the same at the end. They rhyme. Your turn. Yep, yep. Beans, greens. Yep, you did it. You're rhyming. 7 dill pickles stuffed in a jar. 8 ripe tomatoes. 9 plump potatoes. Tomatoes, potatoes, rhyme. They sound the same at the end. Your turn. Say it. Tomatoes, potatoes. Yep, they rhyme. You did it. Good job. Nice rhyming. 10 hands to help load the car. Then 1 car home from the grocery store. 2 will look, 3 will cook. There they are again, those rhyming words. Look, cook. They sound the same at the end. They rhyme. Your turn. Say it, say it. Good. You're rhyming. Good job. 4 will taste and ask for more. 5 empty cans, 6 pots and pans. Cans, pans, rhyme. They sound the same at the end. Okay, your turn. Cans, pans. Yep, you say it. Good. 7 more carrots to wash and peel. 8 platters down, 9 chairs around. Down, around, rhyme. They sound the same at the end. Your turn. Try it. Down, around. Yep, that's right. They rhyme. 10 hungry folks to share the meal. The end. Thanks for listening and rhyming.